I got the Foxbody Mustang here. This is where it's been sitting since probably October, I think, is when I put it in here. And one thing I do usually is on all my hot rods, is especially the ones out to the other barn, I have take the batteries out of them, and I keep the batteries on the tender here in the main garage. I forgot to pop the battery out of the old Foxbody back in October. So I'm gonna see if it's got any juice, and if it does, I'm gonna give it a rip and see if we can let it run a little bit. All right, old Fox is clean piece. It's a 2-owner car. I'm second owner. Original owners sold it to me. How long have I had this thing? 6 years ago, 7 years now. And we did some bolt-ons to it, but it's pretty much stock. It's got a nitrous system, but I haven't sprayed it too much because I don't want to be putting pistons in the thing, but it goes good on the street. We put some bigger rubber under it. New, I think it's got kind of a race style clutch in it. It's a quick clutch, and other than that, it's got headers, Mac exhaust, subframe connectors, and what else we got? Cold air intake. What else we do this thing? Not a lot. It's pretty much all stock, especially in the the interior and everything's all still stock. So let's give it a rip, see what happens. Dead as expected. All right, well, let's get the charger on it and see what happens. And let's get this other battery. This should have some juice in it. It looks smaller in dimensions, but just for purpose of seeing if this thing's gonna run, let's throw this other battery up in there and see if it's got any juice. It's been on the little charger, so wow, there we go. That battery was so junk. There we go. See that? Big difference, huh? I'm trying to see if there's any heat in here. See, this wire is not, it's not hot anymore. This wire's not even hot, so I don't know if the other battery was junk or what. But man, that 5.0, listen to that thing. Butter. The business end of it's back here. You can, oh, there's a Camaro sitting outside my garage. There's a Camaro sitting outside my garage. In fact, I can't have the Camaro on my frickin' video. So, beat it, Camaro. Beat it. right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. As soon as we do some updates and our next upgrades on the old Red Chief, we'll throw a video at you about it. And hey, we're just an old retired guy here playing around with his toys here, so I got some time now. So thanks for tuning in, subscribing, give me a like, follow, all that stuff, smash the bell. You know how it all goes. See you next time.